fat augmentation is the most exciting new advance in facial rejuvenation surgery in many, many years. To understand the importance of fat augmentation, we need to understand how we age. And so the face actually loses volume as we age because we lose fat from our face. We also lose muscle mass and we lose bone as well. So really our whole face is shrinking except for the skin. And so it's like a balloon that loses air. It becomes a little more wrinkled and sagging. It's not just stretching of the skin, it's volume loss, or what we call deflation, that leads to sagging of the tissues. So in traditional rejuvenation surgery, we would often do lifting of the brow, face, and neck, which does help lift and tighten the tissues and does help everything look better, but it doesn't address the volume loss, which is the hollowness and the gauntness and the flatness of the cheeks. So fat augmentation is a great technology that has gotten better and better with the advent of newer instrumentation and better understanding. We harvest the fat from typically your abdomen or flanks. It's a relatively small amount of fat when we are addressing fat removal from the abdomen or flanks for the face, because we don't need that much volume to create a rejuvenation to the face. We process the fat in a way that isolates the pure living fat cells, and this is where new technology has helped to be able to concentrate those fat cells and then delicately layer them back into the face to provide that youthful shape and volume to the face. So when people ask me what's the perfect filler, well, the perfect filler is fat, because it's your own natural tissue and it's living tissue, so it'll never go away. Those fat cells that survive the transfer from the abdomen to the face are permanent, and they will stay with you for many, many years. I often have patients bring in a picture of themselves from a wedding or when they were in their 20s and 30s and they had that youthful fullness, and we use that as the template when we do fat grafting, filling the temples, upper and lower lids, cheeks, jawline, and around the mouth. And we get a really nice rejuvenation by not only lifting tissues but also filling, which is taking everything to the next level in terms of looking better, looking younger, looking healthier.